Hi there. At the beginning of this course, you installed node.js. We will use node.js to run a local server, which is a service that helps us run an application on our computer. Because JavaScript files are applications, we need a local server to view JavaScript features in our browser. Go to Start in your Windows taskbar and in the search field write node.js space command space prompt. Open it. First we have to install the HTTP server extension. Write npm space install space http server space -g and press enter. Wait for it to install. After the installation is finished, go to the folder where you have the index.html file from the first assignment. Right-click on the index.html file and select Properties. Copy the exact location of this file. Go back to the node.js command prompt window, write http server space and paste the exact location of the index.html file. Don't forget the quotes and click enter. As you can see, the local server is running. Now copy its address and paste it into the address bar in your browser. Congratulations! As you can see, you are running a local server for your page. This was a short assignment, but it is required for all the work that is waiting for us further along the course. As always, if you have any problems, send us an email to info@codebrainer.com and we will be more than happy to help. Most of all, you have to remember to have fun coding with CodeBrainer.